Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the die and material match. Measure thickness and align the die edge to your cut line so the first pass is accurate. Once done, you put on eye protection and gloves because sharp edges and flying scraps are common. Make sure the material is clamped or tacked. This prevents shifting during the initial strike. Use a slow trial press or hand crank stroke to feel the die engagement before full force cutting. Because controlling the first cut prevents misalignment, you now set the press height and dial in pressure. Start low and increase until you see a clean cut through. This saves dies and material. Once adjusted, add a backing board or stripper to support the sheet and eject the part cleanly, which reduces burrs and jams. Make one controlled full stroke per location, then lift and inspect the cut edge for completeness. If incomplete, reposition and restroke rather than forcing multiple quick hits, because that creates distortion and premature die wear. You finish by deburring and measuring each piece to confirm tolerances. Filing or a light grinding wheel cleans edges and improves fit. Once done, clear scrap and inspect the die. If you encounter a jam, stop and reverse the press or slowly release pressure to avoid chipping the die, because abrupt forces worsen damage. Make sure to sharpen or replace the die when you see tearing or large burrs, and keep a maintenance log so you know when service is needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.